Look at what I just found. You can sideways slash after you do a rush. I don't know if anybody else knows this, but it's cool. Watch. See? I just sideways slashed. You can sideways slash. That was cool. See? Clean! Literally so clean. If you hit dismantle right after a rush, while you're still in the air, it does that, and it's cool. Oh, that's just if you're in the air in general. So what if I just jump? Cool. Wow, that's cool. Well, I'm just gonna post this anyways. See you. I'm working on a JJS video anyways.